yours mind. And the best thing is that even you guys can do it with me. So let's get started. So for this experiment, you will need water, vegetable oil, measuring cylinder, test tube, funnel, scoop, stirring stick, food coloring, baking soda and citric acid. Don't worry if you feel that the citric acid is not safe. It is totally safe for our skin. So let's get started. First, you need to take the test tube and the measuring cylinder. You have to put 10 ml water in it. Now I will need some food coloring. Of baking soda through the funnel. Now I will put 20 ml oil in this. This is looking beautiful and everybody knows that oil does not mix with water. But this is not the end. Now I will take 1 scoop and citric acid. Look at this, guys. It looks just like a volcano. Look at all the bubbles forming and all the red water which came. If you want this to explode again, then you can just pour a bit of citric acid again. The experiment, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and also to get that little bell icon blue.